Meet the drone builder turned pilot, who invested millions of his own pesos to build a personal flying vehicle based off of drone technology. Watch the ultralight vehicle propel itself skyward using 16 onboard computers.
Concepto Millenia is a flying sports car that uses multi-copter technology.
He claims to be the first person in the Philippines with a car capable of vertical takeoff and landing, and the inventor of the smallest flying car in the world.
I've been piloting drones for almost 10 years now, but flying on something that you created is just a totally different experience. It's just a dream come true.